first thing is the patient. The first thing is the patient. If we don't look after the patient, we've done something wrong. Yeah? Yeah? We're together on that. Okay?
Best course in the world. Best implant course in the world.
All you have to do, the only person you have to look at is the person in the mirror, and you decide between you what you're going to do and how high you're going to fly and all of that Facebook cliche stuff, right? But it's real, and it matters, and it's what we feel. If one blade of grass exists because of you, then you have succeeded.